So I'm for this video audio, it's just photos. There's like 35 of them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And I forgot to put an image in where I was gonna touch grass because I know someone's gonna tell me to touch grass because I'm a hardcore gamer one day. So hope you like it. Bye. Well, not bye. Well, I'm gonna record a video of me touching grass afterwards, so you'll hear me after. So, see you in a little bit. So I'm out here and I'm gonna touch grass. Grass. So, if you thought that was good, watched it to the end of that, you have, because this is the end. Should I do like a hike next, like recorded, not pictures? If there's other people in it, they're my friends. Because I will not go alone because there might be snakes and stuff like that. So, bye. Have a good one.